If you want to check your FoneYam balance, make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now, FoneYam have provided instructions as they say here. Your device rental schedule sent to you after approval will include all your payment amounts and the due dates. Make use of the following self-service channel to view your payment details and the balance. Just dial star 134 star 33011 hash, which is free of charge. Alternatively, you can log in into FoneYam account by going to foneyam.co.za. Also, this page you can either use your phone or PC. Just select here login to log in into your account. Now you'll need to log in either using your identification type, either South African ID or passport. Just input your ID here, your phone number, and then click submit, and you'll be able to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you'll see the charge which has been indicated there. Or you can just say hi on WhatsApp through the WhatsApp number which has been shown here. So these are the three methods you can utilize to check your balance. Alternatively, if they don't work, just go to foneyam.co.za. Also, this page, scroll until to the bottom of this page down, and then you'll see the contact details here. Just send them a message through the details which has been shown here. Contact them, send the message on WhatsApp, or just send an email, or use this USSD which is free of charge. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.